Okay, after a long break, I'm back to the business. Continue on my e30 M3 replica, and I do some work, get ready for this wheel arch. So I cut off this already 100 times measure and stuff like that. This fiberglass wheel arch. That's ready for Bondo, silicone, and ready to go. So I just sanded and stuff like that. This is how it looks right now. Left the lip off small bit, so you can sit there and sit there on angle. Basically like that. So there's gonna be a Bondo here from inside and on this as well. What I done? I put quarter panel as well, and this because fiberglass thick for this, fiberglass thick for quarter panel. There's very big thickness here, so I have to cut off this because the two lips on won't fit properly. So just make decision, cut off this, so then only one lip gonna be inside from the quarter panel, and here it's gonna be just glue. That's all. So I clean one more time with the wipe it with the white spirit and put silicone on. Alright, so put glue everywhere. Have a mark from inside, so I know how far it's going. And I'll put it here as well. Everywhere glue most of there, so it helps a bit better. Okay, I'm gonna put on. Right, so this is how it looks now. Wheel arches in. Put extra deck screws in it just to hold that in place properly to get the better contact. And glue is very smelly. Yeah, so that's how she looks. This is from inside. You won't see actual, of course, but yeah, that's I worry. This I think is too far to open. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see when it comes to rubber. Just a minute if I get seal. Yeah, that's the old one. I think it looks like that. Something like this. Might be okay. Actually, it's the old one, but yeah, it might be okay. Maybe okay, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. But anyway, that's one job done for today.